Imagine a room where everyone is allowed to bring their belongings. But strangely, nobody is allowed to throw away someone else's. Sounds reasonable, right? Now here is the surprising part. Linux does exactly this inside one of its most important directories, /temp. Anyone can create files there, yet Linux prevents other users from deleting them. Why? And what does that mysterious letter T have to do with it? Let's find out. Many Linux users eventually run this command ls-ld/temp and see something like this. Most people ignore it until they notice something strange. Everyone can write, everyone can create files, yet users can't delete each other's files. At first, that feels contradictory. Let's forget Linux for a moment. Imagine a public notice board in an office. Anyone can post announcements, meeting reminders, lunch orders, maintenance notices. Now imagine if anyone could remove any note, the board would quickly become chaos. So the office introduces a rule. Anyone can post, only the owner can remove their note. And that's exactly the problem Linux needed to solve. Programs constantly need temporary storage. Browsers, editors, installers, package managers. Linux needed a shared workspace where everybody could create temporary files. The answer was so simple. Create a directory called /temp. But a new problem appeared immediately. Alice creates a file. Bob decides to delete it. Should Linux allow that? If yes, users could accidentally destroy each other's work. A buggy program could break unrelated applications. A malicious user could create endless trouble. Linux needed a smarter solution. The solution is called the sticky bit, represented by a tiny letter T. That small character changes everything. Anyone can create files, anyone can use the shared space, but only the file owner, the directory owner, or root can delete the file. Shared access, protected ownership. That's the magic of the sticky bit. Want to see it yourself? Just create a directory, enable the sticky bit, and check the permissions. Then try deleting another user's file. Linux will stop you. That tiny letter is quietly protecting everyone's work. Linux isn't being inconsistent. It is balancing two competing goals. Let everyone collaborate without letting them interfere with each other. And that's why Linux asks one simple question before allowing a deletion. Is that actually your file? If Linux permissions, directories, and hidden operating system design decisions fascinate you, subscribe to Tech Circumference. Because sometimes the smallest character in Linux, like a tiny little t, has a surprisingly big story behind it. Thank you.